In this lecture, we will explore the concept of deletion of an element from the last index of an array. This lecture covers the following topics. First, introduction to deletion in an array. Second, graphical representation of the concept of deletion. Third, algorithm for deletion of an element from an array. And fourth, example in the C programming language demonstrating deletion. Let's begin our lecture with the introduction to deletion. Deletion refers to the removal of an element from any position in the array. In the next slide, we will look into the graphical representation of deletion of an element from an array. Here, we have an array of type integer of length 6. It is completely filled array. We have to delete the last element as indicated in figure 2. After deletion, the last index will be indicated by the arrow. Here, we will learn about the algorithm to delete an element from the last index of the array. The algorithm for deletion is simple. Just change the upper bound of the array. The upper bound refers to the last index containing a value. Here in the algorithm, we can see that in the first step, we set the upper bound equals to upper bound minus 1. In the second step, the program terminates and the element is deleted as there is no information about the last index. Let's have a look at the code snippet in C programming language to perform deletion at the last index. Here is a code in C programming to show how deletion of last element is performed on a given array. Here we have an array of size 5. The most important variables, the upper bound and the lower bound. The lower bound variable is 0, which represents the first index of the array, and the upper bound represents the maximum element present in the array. As from the statement below, you can see that we have asked the user to confirm whether they want to delete the last element or not. On confirmation for deletion, we perform a simple decrement operation on the array as given in the if block in the given code. Inside the if block, the upper bound is decremented by 1 to delete the element from the array. Try this code to get a better understanding of the concept of deletion of the last element of the array.